Wow, we did it. We crossed over the 500 subscribers early this morning. Last night when I went to bed, I needed like 30 subscribers to get to the 500 subscriber milestone. When I woke up this morning, I had 517. I want to thank you all for that. Thank you for keep coming back to my channel for your stimulus updates. And when this is over, I will be going back to my regular platform. And I hope y'all stick around for that. But until then, I will continue making these videos every day to keep everybody updated. I hope y'all like my style of updating. I don't over dramatize anything. I'm just me. I'm laid back. I'm talking to you just like me and you are talking. So please come back every day. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and stay subscribed after all of this is over. I hope you'll like my content after this is all over. Thank you for helping me build this channel. I love you all. Yeah, 500 subscribers. That's in 35 days. I'm excited. Thank you all. Ciao.